Am I the only one that didn't know there are actually a bunch of different PURO Vitality Boost supplements? Seriously, it's like walking into a party and realizing everyone's wearing the same outfit, but they're all different brands. So, which one are you even getting? If you search PURO Vitality Boost, you'll find at least two main options, and a bunch of others thrown in for good measure. First up go. R. Vitality Boost by Nativa. It's a fizzy tablet packed with B vitamins, vitamin C, D3, calcium, and magnesium. People like it for energy and mental focus, but heads up, too much can make you dizzy or give you headaches. Then there's Health Path's Vitality Boost, sachets with yerba mate, cinnamon, L-tyrosine, and vitamin C. This one's all about mental clarity and pep, but it costs a bit more. Bottom line, PURO Vitality Boost is more of a catchy label than a single product. Read the fine print, check ingredients, and don't fall for name confusion. Your body and your wallet will thank you.